I'm 47 years old, and I think it started when I was in my early 20s. My lower back, right at the base of the spine, I've always had tightness, and sometimes it would get so bad that it would pinch a nerve, and it would be really debilitating for a long time. I've seen a chiropractor for a while, and that does help. But then I found out about the StemWave, and it was pretty much immediate relief from the first treatment that I had. I did not experience any pain radiating down my leg, which I had a new issue with. So that resolved that very fast. And then I noticed the next morning I didn't have my normal morning tightness. And I believe I've had about maybe 12, 13 treatments with the StemWave. And I am a big fan and proponent of it. And also, I've had an issue with my shoulder and with my neck. You know, we all have various issues every once in a while that pop up, and it helps on every issue.
Okay, awesome. So what was your pain level when you first started?
Pain level with my back, when it's at its worst, which is in the morning, pretty much as soon as I get out of bed, I'd say it's probably about a 6 or 7. And when I receive the StemWave treatment, it goes down a lot, really to hardly any tightness the next morning.
Okay, and what would you put a number on it? What would it be?
I would say just after one treatment, it would go down to maybe about a 2, and then after. Again, it's for me, the problem is in the morning when I wake up, I normally have a pretty tight lower back right at the base of the spine, and after receiving the StemWave, it's much better.
Okay.
Much better.
Okay, and you've had about 12 sessions now.
Mm-hmm.
Where are you now with the back pain?
I would say it's probably close to a 1 to a 2.
Great. Okay. And would you recommend this to anybody?
Absolutely. And it's very easy, non-invasive at all. Takes a few minutes, and it's almost kind of like a miracle type thing, because some of these issues I've had, not only in my back but with my shoulder, and then you know, a lot of people, you get kinks in your neck or, you know, other areas of your body that are hurting, or a pinched nerve, and for me, it's pretty much immediate relief. So highly recommended.